All right, investors, buckle up. In a market obsessed with the next big splash, truly undervalued gems for long-term growth often get overlooked. I'm talking about companies with solid fundamentals, strong cash flows, and clear pathways to sustained profitability that the broader market hasn't fully appreciated yet. Today, we're peeling back the layers on 8 such long-term stocks poised for significant upside. And stick around until the end, because we'll put all the key financial data side by side to uncover exactly where the real value lies. Let's dive in. First up, Diamondback Energy, Inc., ticker FANG, an independent oil and natural gas company focused strategically on the Permian Basin, West Texas. This region is a powerhouse of hydrocarbon reserves, and FANG is extracting immense value. In Q3 2025, Diamondback significantly outperformed expectations, posting an adjusted EPS of $3.08 against a $2.94 forecast, and revenue hitting a robust $3.92 billion, comfortably beating estimates. Intriguingly, despite this strong beat, the stock saw a slight dip post-earnings, suggesting a classic market mispricing that presents an undervaluation opportunity for long-term investors. What truly makes FANG a compelling long-term buy is its remarkable operational resilience. Even as oil prices declined 14% year-over-year, Diamondback managed to grow its free cash flow per share by an impressive 15%, a clear indicator of superior cost control and efficiency. The company's Q3 oil production averaged 504,000 barrels per day, driving a confident increase in full-year production guidance. Furthermore, FANG is a strong advocate for shareholder returns, deploying $892 million in Q3, including its largest ever share buyback of 4.3 million shares. With a forward PE of just 10.76, and analysts, including Morgan Stanley and Susquehanna, maintaining buy ratings with price targets indicating an average upside potential of 25.9%. Diamondback Energy is a profitable dividend-paying powerhouse. It boasts 8 consecutive years of dividend payments and is strategically exploring new growth avenues like gas monetization and power generation, proving its forward-looking vision beyond conventional extraction. This makes FANG a fundamentally strong, yet overlooked long-term play. Next, we turn to the world of biotechnology with a company making significant strides in medicine, Regeneron Pharmaceuticals, Inc., ticker REGN. Regeneron is a biotech giant dedicated to discovering and commercializing medicines for serious diseases, consistently showcasing its innovative edge and long-term growth potential. A recent major catalyst is the European Medicines Agency's positive opinion for Libtayo, Regeneron's treatment for cutaneous squamous cell carcinoma, following FDA approval. Crucially, the global Phase 3 CPOST trial demonstrated Libtayo reduced the risk of disease recurrence or death by a remarkable 68% compared to placebo, a truly transformative medical advancement. Regeneron's Q3 2025 financial performance strongly mirrored its clinical success, crushing expectations with an EPS of $11.83 against a $9.64 forecast and revenue of $3.75 billion, surpassing estimates. This robust beat was driven by outstanding sales of its flagship products, Dupixent, with 12% quarter-over-quarter growth to $4.86 billion, and Eylea HD, posting a 16% sequential unit demand increase. Financially, Regeneron is exceptionally robust, reporting a net income of $1.4 billion, strong free cash flow of $1.7 billion, and an industry-leading gross margin of 86%. The company has also aggressively bought back $2.2 billion in shares year-to-date, boosting shareholder value. With a strong analyst consensus, an average price target implying a 35.8% upside potential, and a forward PE of 14.57, Regeneron stands as a prime undervalued opportunity. It's a consistently profitable, prominent player in biotechnology, with ample cash to fuel future R&D and strategic expansion, ensuring its long-term relevance and growth. Now, let's talk about a financial giant undergoing a massive transformation, Wells Fargo & Company, ticker WFC. This diversified financial services company is on a remarkable journey back to prominence, driven by significant strategic milestones. The most impactful catalyst was the lifting of its $1.95 trillion asset cap in June 2025, after 7 years of stifled growth. This pivotal regulatory change allowed the bank to surpass $2 trillion in assets for the first time in Q3 2025 and set an ambitious new medium-term return on tangible common equity, ROTCE target of 17 to 18%. Wells Fargo's Q3 2025 results underscore this resurgence, with EPS reaching $1.66 against an anticipated $1.55, and revenue hitting $21.43 billion, exceeding expectations. This strong performance was fueled by a record 25% year-over-year jump in investment banking fees and the highest loan growth in over 3 years. The bank is aggressively returning capital to shareholders, having reduced outstanding shares by 24% since 2019, and boasts a stellar 55-year consecutive dividend payment streak. Analysts like Phillips Securities maintain buy ratings, with a price target of $95, indicating a 21.9% upside. While macro uncertainties exist, Wells Fargo is strategically investing in talent, hiring over 125 managing directors since 2019 to achieve its vision of becoming a top U.S. consumer and small business bank and a leading wealth manager. With $30 billion in excess capital and a forward PE of 13.6, Wells Fargo is uniquely positioned to leverage its newfound freedom for substantial long-term growth and value creation. Next up, a pharmaceutical titan navigating a post-pandemic shift with remarkable agility, Pfizer Inc., ticker PFE. This global biopharmaceutical company, despite facing the normalization of COVID-19 product sales, is demonstrating robust underlying business performance and strategic execution, making its current valuation profoundly attractive. A significant recent win for Pfizer comes from its oncology pipeline. The final Phase 3 EMBARK study results for Xtandi, in combination with Leuprolide for prostate cancer, showed a remarkable 40.3% reduction in death risk. This highlights Pfizer's unwavering commitment to impactful medical innovation. In Q3 2025, Pfizer reported adjusted EPS of $0.87, smashing forecasts by over 30%, even though revenue of $16.7 billion slightly missed expectations. This profit beat, despite a revenue miss, signals that the market might be overreacting to short-term revenue headwinds, overlooking Pfizer's robust cost discipline and operational efficiency. The company's non-COVID product portfolio grew 4% operationally, with strong performances from Nurtec and Vyndaqel. Management is confident, raising its full-year 2025 EPS guidance to $3 to $3.15 and reaffirming its revenue outlook. A key driver for future profitability is an ambitious cost savings program targeting $7.2 billion by the end of 2027, alongside a reduced tax rate, with an incredibly low forward PE ratio of 8.13, a high shareholder yield, and a dividend raised for 15 consecutive years, maintained for 55. Pfizer offers compelling value with an analyst-projected upside of 32.4%. It's a deeply undervalued pharmaceutical powerhouse with a clear path to long-term profitability. Now, let's talk about a digital payments leader, PayPal Holdings, Inc., ticker PYPL. PayPal provides digital financial payment platforms that empower commerce globally. While the payments sector has faced headwinds as investors rotate to AI stocks, PayPal's Q3 2025 results underscore its enduring strength and strategic vision, positioning it as a profoundly undervalued long-term play. PayPal decisively crushed Q3 2025 expectations, reporting adjusted EPS of $1.34 against a $1.20 consensus, and revenue hitting $8.42 billion, also topping forecasts. This robust performance was driven by strong lending revenue, tight expense control, and a favorable tax rate, marking another quarter of over-delivery. Revenue growth clocked in at a solid 7.3% year-over-year, supported by robust total payment volume growth and significant momentum in its debit card segment. Profitability metrics are equally impressive, with a gross margin of 40.7% and diluted EPS growth of 31.3%. The company is a cash flow engine, generating $1.97 billion in operating cash flow and $1.72 billion in levered free cash flow in Q3, which fuels aggressive share buybacks. With a forward PE of 12.85 and analysts projecting an impressive 43.3% upside potential, PayPal exhibits strong value. The company boasts a perfect Piotrowski score of 9, indicating excellent financial health. Under CEO Alex Chriss, PayPal is executing a multifaceted growth strategy, revitalizing its branded checkout, expanding buy now, pay later services, and investing in AI-driven commerce, including its innovative PayPal World initiative. Despite competitive pressures, PayPal's strategic transformation and strong fundamentals make it a long-term powerhouse ready for a rebound. Next on our list is an insurance giant that delivers consistent returns while navigating market shifts: the Progressive Corporation, ticker PGR. Progressive is a prominent insurance holding company, renowned for its personal and commercial insurance businesses. While the sector can be cyclical, Progressive's long-term track record of profitability and shareholder returns, combined with its current valuation, makes it an intriguing undervalued opportunity. Despite some recent analyst adjustments and downgrades citing a potential softer pricing cycle, Progressive's underlying financial performance remains robust. In Q3 2025, the company actually beat expectations, reporting an EPS of $5.07, surpassing forecasts by 4.75%, and revenue of $46.43 billion, exceeding estimates by 2.61%. While the stock did experience a slight dip pre-market, similar to other undervalued picks, this often creates a buying opportunity for discerning long-term investors. Progressive has a stellar track record of returning value to shareholders, boasting 16 consecutive years of dividend payments. Its cash flows are more than sufficient to cover interest payments, and it has been consistently profitable over the last 12 months, delivering high returns over both the last 5 and 10 years. With a forward PE of 12.64 and an average analyst upside potential of 20.6%, Progressive's efficient operations and strategic investments, including a focus on AI and productivity initiatives, position it exceptionally well to navigate future challenges and continue its trajectory of profitability. It's a durable business with proven resilience in a historically stable, essential industry. Now let's talk about Bank of America Corporation, ticker BAC. Bank of America is a global financial services company providing a comprehensive suite of banking, investment, and wealth management solutions. BAC consistently demonstrates its market strength and financial resilience through its diversified business model and commitment to shareholder value, making it a cornerstone for a long-term undervalued portfolio. In Q3 2025, Bank of America reported impressive results. Revenue grew 11% year-over-year to $28.1 billion, and earnings per share surged 31% to $1.06, comfortably beating analyst expectations. This robust performance was widespread, with all business segments reporting earnings growth, including consumer banking, up 28% year-over-year, and global wealth management, up 19%. The bank's growth prospects are favorable, driven by organic loan and deposit growth, fixed-rate asset repricing, and improving investment banking activity. Management projects net interest income growth of 5 to 7% in 2026, supported by continued expansion. BAC's efficiency ratio improved to below 62%, reflecting strong expense management while still investing heavily in technology and talent. Analysts like Phillips Securities have raised price targets, maintaining a buy rating and indicating a 22.3% upside potential, with a strong CET1 capital ratio of 11.6%, well above regulatory minimums. BAC has the flexibility for growth and capital returns, having delivered $7.4 billion to shareholders in Q3 through dividends and share repurchases. Its dividend has been raised for 11 consecutive years and maintained for 55, showcasing remarkable stability. Despite interest rate sensitivities, Bank of America's strong capital, digital transformation, and diverse revenue streams position it as an exceptionally undervalued long-term investment. Finally, we conclude our list with another financial titan, JP Morgan Chase & Company, ticker JPM. JP Morgan Chase is a global financial services powerhouse, offering a vast array of banking and investment services across its key segments. JPM consistently demonstrates unparalleled financial strength and strategic leadership, making it a bedrock undervalued long-term investment, even amidst global uncertainties. In Q3 2025, JP Morgan reported a net income of $14.4 billion and an EPS of 5.07, comfortably exceeding analyst expectations. While some analysts, like Phillips Securities, maintain a hold rating due to macroeconomic caution, JPM's underlying performance and strategic resilience are undeniable. The bank boasts an exceptional CET1 capital ratio of 14.8% and returned a massive $12.1 billion to shareholders through dividends and stock repurchases, highlighting its unwavering commitment to shareholder value. JPM's dividend history is particularly impressive, with 15 consecutive years of increases and 55 years of maintained payments, underscoring its long-term financial stability. With a forward PE of 14.86 and a median analyst price target suggesting a 17.3% upside, JPM trades at a compelling valuation for its market dominance. CEO Jamie Dimon has cautioned about massive amounts of uncertainty, but JPM's growth strategy focuses on robust technological investments, particularly in AI, and expanding its physical and digital footprint. The bank's Security and Resiliency Initiative also commits to deploying $1.5 trillion in financing over the next decade for critical sectors, cementing long-term relationships. Despite potential pressures from interest rate cuts and isolated credit issues, JP Morgan's diversified model, fortress balance sheet, and strategic initiatives ensure its position as a top-tier, undervalued long-term play. Let's take a quick look at the numbers. And honestly, the data speaks volumes. When we consider market capitalization, Diamondback Energy at $42.68 billion, up to the colossal JP Morgan Chase at $826.1 billion. This diversity shows that undervaluation isn't confined to small caps. It's about potential relative to current market pricing. Now, let's talk about revenue. Bank of America and JP Morgan Chase lead with staggering revenues of $101.4 billion and $167.2 billion, respectively, demonstrating their sheer scale. Gross margins, where applicable, reveal operational efficiency. Diamondback Energy stands out with a fantastic 74.9%, closely followed by Pfizer at 74.8%, highlighting the profitability of their core businesses. Regeneron at 45.8% and PayPal at 41.6% also show healthy margins. For income investors, dividends are key. JP Morgan Chase offers an impressive 6.00% dividend yield, making it a standout for income. Diamondback Energy also offers a generous 4.00%. Finally, earnings. Per share, JP Morgan Chase leads with a robust $20.22 per share, followed by Progressive at $18.28 per share and Diamondback Energy at $14.37 per share. Regeneron also boasts a significant 43.30 EPS. These numbers, when viewed in context of their forward PE ratios and upside potential, truly paint a picture of deep value across the board. So these are 8 undervalued long-term stocks that offer compelling opportunities for investors looking beyond the immediate headlines. These companies, across diverse sectors, share a common thread: strong fundamentals, strategic growth initiatives, and a valuation that doesn't yet fully reflect their long-term potential. Which of these 8 undervalued long-term stocks do you believe holds the most promise for the next decade, and why? Share your insights and predictions in the comments section below. And don't miss our video right here on 7 most undervalued long-term stocks to buy right now.